Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Savory Stories New Delhi. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare creamy chicken. This is one of the most demanding recipes and it's a delicious one. So let's get started. Alright, to prepare creamy chicken, here I'm using 500 grams of chicken boneless thigh, and in this I'm gonna use some salt, small amount of turmeric, then a good amount of black pepper. You can also use a coarse grinded one, but here I'm using thinly grinded. I'm gonna use some red chilies. Okay. A good amount of curd. I'm using a full 500 gram packet of curd here. And we are gonna mix it thoroughly. We're gonna let this chicken rest for a while, and after like 5-10 minutes we can prepare it. Alright, fine. It's been some time while the chicken was resting, so parallelly I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of ghee. So we are gonna heat this ghee for some time, and then we are gonna use 2 cinnamon sticks. If you have some coarse black pepper, then it's good to use at this point in time. We are gonna keep it on medium heat to make sure our garam masalas, they don't burn. And once it's preheated, then we are gonna add our creamy chicken. So now I'm adding my creamy chicken. Guys, please make sure that there are no masalas needed during the preparation of the chicken, because we have already used all the required masalas, ingredients at the time of marination. So at this point in time, the only thing that you would need is ghee, cinnamon sticks, some coarse dry pepper if you have it. If not, then you can probably leave it. And the last thing is the fenugreek, dried fenugreek leaves, which is your dried methi. So I'm just gonna cook it for some time, and then probably once the chicken becomes a bit tender, then we are gonna add some dried fenugreek leaves and a small amount of fresh cream. Alright friends, यहाँ पे हमारे चिकन को पकते हुए पूरे 15 मिनट हो चुके हैं. So as we can check, ghee सेपरेट हो चुका है ग्रेवी में, एंड इवन इफ वी चेक दही भी हमारे ग्रैनुलर पीसेस में स्प्लिट हो चुका है. सो दिस इज़ द राइट टाइम व्हेन यू आर गोना ऐड सम ड्राइड. ये आपको ड्राइड मेथी थोड़ा क्रश करके डालना है इसमें. इसको हम अच्छे से स्टर कर लेंगे. यहाँ पे हम चिकन को भी चेक कर लेते हैं. चिकन हमारा गला चिकन हमारा गल चुका है प्रॉपरली. So this is the right time when you can add fresh cream as well. So I'm using Amul fresh cream here. इसको हम अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेंगे और इस टाइम पे आपको चिकन को ज़्यादा नहीं पकाना है. ये मीडियम से लाइट हीट पर ही आपको स्टर करते रहना है और गिव इट लाइक अनदर 6-7 मिनट्स. इसको लेट क्लोज करके आप प्रिपेयर करेंगे और बाय दैट टाइम हमारा चिकन रेडी हो जाएगा. Alright friends, it's been like 5-6 minutes. अभी लेट खोल के देखते हैं. ओके, हमारा क्रीमी चिकन बन के रेडी है. I'm gonna meet you at the time of presentation. Alright friends, ये हमने क्रीमी चिकन को सर्व कर दिया है along with मटर पनीर जो हमारी मेड ने बनाया था आज. And we are ready to enjoy this feast. I hope you do. Thank you friends, I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And do follow my page on Instagram, Savory Stories.